Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your personal informations on the Airbnb app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then you have to go to your profile, and at the profile section you have to scroll down to the personal information section, to the account section and the personal information tab. If you tap on it, you can change the name that you have added to your profile, your phone number, your address, and anything else really. I won't show you this right now because when I open it, it shows all my personal informations, which wouldn't be smart. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.